give students, let them know that when you go to the United States, you start from there. So, reading the newspaper, cartoon is to cheer up yourself. The ads, the commercial, to survive, but also you learn a lot of things because terms, food, you are going to survive. Okay.
Yes.
And then after that, you go to the pub, you join the people, and you know that their people will break it sometimes, and you know that he's breaking. You have to have enough knowledge to know he's breaking. Or some people is talking politics, and you read from newspaper, and then you know that, okay, he's talking about politics. So you learn, you read, and you go there, you listen, and you talk. Okay. So that's the way I build up my English conversation ability. Also, reading ability, but my reading is still not good because it's so slow.
Can I ask, so it's not because you went to class and you talked to your professors and you discussed...
Oh yes, professors. When the first day I was in the class, and the professor is, I still remember him, he's a Norwegian guy, and he said that, okay, put it this way, one day I went to his office and argued about my grade.
What?
My grade, yeah.
I've never heard this story.
Yeah, because I told him
so you
that,
argued about, okay.
Hey, I said I already have the 100 point on my midterm exam, and then the second midterm exam also another 100 point.
Yes.
Do I need to take the final exam?
Yes.
He said yes, I have to do it because you might fail, you don't get 100 points. I started arguing with him anyway, and he gave me a comments. He said that, and because they always call me Wu, the first day you were in the class, you are listening like this. Because I don't want to miss any words.
Yes.
But I still don't make any sense the first semester. And now you are arguing with me in English.
Yes.
Okay, so that's what, maybe that's about a semester later.
1 semester.
Yeah. Okay, let's put it this way. Put yourself in a certain situation, you're going to survive. Just like people always say that you want to learn the swimming, just jump into the water. Because you want to survive, you start to, like, maybe you ear help, something like that, but you still try to struggling to get help or get survived, I would say that. So, if you are in this kind of situation, you need to survive in certain ways, then you will push yourself more. People tend to live it peacefully too long and then forget, or maybe they say, okay, that is not important to me right now. So if you, nowadays I think young people go abroad for traveling, and then those people, they go out, they go communicate with people locally. Or even though, just like I said, that the English is international language, so you can go any countries by using English, at least using English to communicate. So for those people, they know that English is so important, especially in conversation.
Yes.
Okay. So first day I was in the United States, I was kind of low because I can't catch up. Okay, but at the time I was staying in the dormitory, and we have to eat in the cafeteria of the dormitory.
Okay.
You
can say it. You can say it.
No, I don't want to say the joke.
Okay.
What I'm going to say is that I always sit here and eating by myself or with my friends. But certainly I don't talk during my eating, but I will listen to the people next to me what they are talking about. So in that way, I start to practice my listen, or what we call the listening comprehension. Yeah. My chance is don't go home and tell your mom. There's a lady right beside me who will try to come.
Mom is probably watching sometime in the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will start to conversation. Okay.
Okay.
With the ladies, yeah, something like that.
At this point, you already know Mom, right? This is you already.
No.
Okay. Anyway.
Right. At the time I'm single. Right? I'm still
right. Okay.
independent.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So I start to talk to people.
I don't want to know this. Okay, go on.
So there's a lot of ways to practice, or to what you call a self. learning.
Self-learning.
Yeah,
self-learning. So challenge yourself, that's what you're saying.
That's the way. That's
You
the one
challenge
way.
yourself.
But actually, you are listening to the next door, so that's not really polite, but that's the way you learn it.
But do you feel that students nowadays, they have more resources, more possibilities to challenge themselves, or do you?
Sure, that's what I was mentioning, that nowadays you have a lot of English programs, like TV programs, TV news. And even though TV news, you turn it on in the morning when you're doing your flushing, then you just let it on and you just listen to it, okay? And also, there's so many programs. I think even those tutoring programs. And yesterday I saw that the ABC tutor program.
Tutor ABC, yes.
Tutor ABC, yeah. I think that's also there. You can sign up for that kind of program, pay some money for that. You know, maybe we can do that later.
We can do that.
We can start our business.
Yes, we can. Yes,
yeah.
yes, yeah. But how about writing, academic English, or
I think
particularly science English?
Okay, if you can conversation or you can talk well, in that case, that means you are using the English well, and then you start to write what you talk.
Okay.
Okay, even though like you are writing the scientific or technical papers,
yes,
you want to introduce what you are reading or what you are you're finding to people. Like I'm going to using the words to tell you that it's similar to I'm talking to you.
Yes.
That I had to use very easy way to let you understand what I'm talking. So that's the way we write it. But certainly for the technical writing, they have a different way, different sense, or maybe tense you use in it. Because usually for the technical writing, you using the, how to say that in English, 被动式,
passive voice.
Or passive, yeah, passive voice to do it. Instead of like using the 主动式. Okay. So that's different. That's the different way in technical writing, mostly. Otherwise, we just like we are talking. So like you are giving a presentation.
Yes.
Similar. Yeah, similar. You write that. Certainly, that technical writing has certain format. Okay, not like a conversation. Right. Conversation, we have no format. Or maybe we just use the right words. That's very important. Using the right words. But even the writing, you have to use the right words.
Yes.
And right heads, what do you call that? So, writing a technical paper similar to writing a story.
Yes.
Talking a story.
Yeah.
Talking how I developed my experiment. Why am I doing it? What I expect the result will be. So what I do it, how I do it, how the result I got, and the discussion about the result, comparison with other research result, and then conclude what you has found.
Yes.
That's the way.
Yeah. And so, did you practice by following other people's models?
Not really.
You just practiced and. Yeah.
When I was in a master's degree, and I gave my thesis to my advisor.
And your advisor.
Yeah, Dr. Wang Yulan.
Yeah.
And he told me that, ooh, 2 lines you already killed me.
Yeah.
Give to Susan, let her read it first.
Read it first. Yeah. So you had to.
Susan is the secretary.
Is the secretary, yeah. I know.
So she corrected the grammar for me, and after that, I learned that I shouldn't use this way. I shouldn't do that way. Yeah. And certainly that the practice, writing more and more than you will know, and also you have to read. You read more and more. Okay, by this way. Then in English, so you have to read a lot, and you know how to make the sentence using the right words, and then after that, you become like a habit, something like that. So, my personal opinion for people who want to learn English, reading newspapers, start from cartoon first, and if you really want to learn the reading, okay, and the writing, there's one novel.
Yes.
Yeah, Reader Digest.
Readers, yeah, publication, yeah, no.
No, Reader Digest. There's one small booklet.
Yeah,
it's actually like.
读者文摘.
Yeah.
Yeah. Read Reader's Digest. I grew up reading Reader's Digest. So yeah.
Yeah, because Reader Digest, they have. I always start from
the jokes. Yeah,
the jokes.
Yeah.
And then they always have short story.
Yes.
Short, very short. So you think about that. In that short story, it tells all the stories. That technique is really something. You learn from them. So I keep telling my students that reading newspaper, reading the Reader's Digest. Am I doing the commercial or Reader's Digest?
Reader's Digest sponsor the SLC. Yes. You're watching, sponsor us.
Okay. Reader's Digest is one of the way to learn. That's because they have many kind of stories, news, and new findings, technologies. So that's a very nice and a small one. I used to start to read the Reader's Digest during lunchtime, but nowadays I don't even have time to eat my lunch, so I don't read anymore. But I still keep a lot of Reader's Digest at home.
This is true. Yeah, our family has a collection of Reader's Digest, and they're very small. They're small booklets, so you can read them online by app as well.
Really?
Yeah, you can do it actually. Yeah, I'll
Why should I still pay in to subscribe?
Yeah, you can. No, you have to pay for the online subscription.
I like the paper one.
Yeah. Thank you, Professor. Thank you. Thank you, Dad. Yeah.
Have I answered all the questions you asked?
You have answered all my questions, yeah. So students, we will give you a few questions in the coming few days, and hopefully you have learned something about science and about English during our live broadcast today. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope that you also enjoyed this family interaction, a family reunion, so to speak, between the two of us when we meet. So thank you all very much. I'll see you next time in the live broadcast. Same time, same place. Thank you all very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.